Hopefully if my tablet can catch that. Yeah, look at that. Dang. Now that's pretty cool. It's quite a lightning show too. Yeah, that's freaking wicked. See if I can get a better view from another spot. Okay, this view isn't the best, I guess. If I would have moved over more, for one, the tree would have been in the way, and two, that light over there would have ruined the video. So, yeah. That's super cool, though. Oh, some on the other side of the tree, too. Right now, most of it is to my southwest, looking towards Chicago. Or, well, Chicago would be more in that direction, so. Looking at Gary, Indiana, maybe? Michigan City? I don't know. But, still, regardless. Still. Come on, don't lose focus now. Come on, stop losing focus. Yeah, if it wasn't for the dang trees, I'd be able to get a better shot. That's insane. Look at that. Wow. That's insane, man. That's getting bright now. I might have to send some of these to Michigan storm chasers. Doubt they'll share it, but oh my gosh.